How to choose the right kind of luggage for your travels. Having the correct kind of bag, pack, or luggage for your travels can make packing up and hitting the road or hopping on a plane easier and less demanding. But with countless styles to pick from offered by popular travel bag manufacturers, deciding which one is correct for you can be a test. This blog runs down the different kinds of luggage and provides information on picking the correct weight, size, and level of durability. It also goes over aspects like carry-on compatibility, laptop compartments, and wheels. Travel packs. These travel-friendly bags do extremely well where wheeled luggage cannot, such as stairs, cobblestone streets, gravel, and other rough terrains. Travel bags are like other backpacks in terms of how you carry them and the support they offer, but they have travel-exclusive traits like shoulder straps, hideaway hip belts, and organization pockets, also inbuilt security aspects such as lockable zippers. They are perfect for travelers who wish to be extremely mobile and are fine with carrying everything on their backs. Travel duffels. These range from simple duffels that you throw over your shoulder to wheeled duffels with expandable handles. The key benefit of duffels over other choices is their basic design. They are easy to use, plus usually feature one big room for packing your clothing and gear. This could be a drawback if you are a super systematic kind who needs separate compartments and pockets to remain sane. One way to stay systematic in duffel is to pack your stuff in stuff sacks or travel cubes. Duffel bags are available in various sizes, from huge duffels that contain 100 L or more for escapades that need heaps of gear on up to compressed carry-on bags that have a volume of 20 to 30 L and will contain a weekend's worth of garments. Wheeled baggage. The apparent benefit of bags, packs, and luggage with wheels is how easy they are to move through the airport and down even sidewalks and streets. There are three kinds of wheeled baggage: wheeled backpacks, wheeled duffels, and rolling luggage. Business owners, if you are thinking of adding cool travel bags to your store's existing collection, then don't hold yourself back and get in touch with the most popular private label bags manufacturer in the industry. Go through the catalog, find out the pieces you like, and place your bulk order.